Okay. So welcome to Power BI basic session. So let us start with the introduction first. As I told you earlier, that Power BI is a business intelligence tool which is used to clean the data set as well as convert data sets into different dashboards and reports. Okay. And the software that is used for this particular purpose is Power BI Desktop, which is a free software. And it is basically used to do visualization and data cleaning. See, if we are having a data set which is having many rows and columns, then it is very difficult to identify a lot of things. It is difficult to identify patterns between two different variables and all. But if we are able to use, wait. Okay, but if we are able to use a particular visualization tool through which we can identify relations between different variables, and we can identify that at which particular time profit was high, loss was high, those kind of thing is possible, then it is very easy to understand the insights out of it. Okay, because actually a picture works more on human brain. So with the help of picture, we can identify a lot of things. Okay, and some tools are there which are used for making this thing possible. They are Power BI tools named Power Query, which is used to clean the data. Power Pivot, which is used to connect different data sources. Power View, where different charts are available, more than 250 charts are there. Power BI Service, which is used to share files and dashboards to the required person or company. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So moving on to the facts, actually it was designed by Ron George in 2010 with the name of Project Crescent. And in 2011, it was made publicly available with a code name of Denali. After that, in 2015, it was renamed as Power BI for Office. And in 2015, it was made released in general public with the name of Power BI. And we are using that particular software today. Okay, but it's upgraded version it is, right? Now moving on to the importance of Power BI. Actually, this is the Google trend, which shows us that how much people are searching for this particular word. So it is reaching 100. Gradually, it is reaching 100. So you can see the importance of that particular word Power BI. So it shows the importance of it. Okay. And these are some important features of it, like more than 1,200 functions are there, 280 visuals are there. It is very less expensive compared to other BI tools. See, Tableau desktop is the paid version, and Power BI service is the paid version in two different, BI tools. In case of Tableau desktop, it costs around $70 per month, and Power BI service cost around $10 per month. So you can see the difference that Tableau, paid version of Tableau is having a cost of 7 times more than that of Power BI. Okay, and it is and Power BI is much better than Tableau. That is a fact.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking up.
I will provide you the
Ma'am,
recording.
ma'am, your voice is breaking up.
Okay, sorry for that. I will provide you the recording. You please go through it. Okay. I will provide you the recording. That will be clear.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So actually Power BI can accept data from different 100 different data sources that I will tell you how. And regarding the importance of Power BI, it is considered as the most important business intelligence tool. It was recognized as the top business intelligence tool by Gartner company, which used to, produce some magic quadrants time to time. Okay, so this is the link of it. Okay, we will go through this link. I'll show you how it works. Okay. Control C. Now here. It's taking some time because network issue is there. Okay, so you can see this is a slight animation of the thing that when in 2002, this is the position of Power BI in terms of completeness of vision as well as ability to execute. These are the two variables corresponding to which the quadrant is made by Gartner's company, and from time to time you can see it has reached the top, right? Earlier it was somewhere here. Now it has reached the top. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now moving on to my voice is clear now? Hello?
Ma'am, still not clear, ma'am. It's still
Still
breaking.
breaking up.
Can't hear.
Okay. Okay, wait. I will check whether net is okay. Now it is clear? All of my voice is clear now? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. So moving on to the installation of Power BI. See, actually, first of all, what we do is we will type the word Power BI in, Google, as we do for any other thing, right? And in case of Mac, I'm not familiar with it. Sorry for that. In Windows system, you can easily install it. So here you can see Power BI Microsoft.com is coming. You have to click on this particular link and then this page will come. There you have to click on products. Okay. And in products, Power BI desktop is there. You have to click on Power BI desktop. After that, this page will come. If you want to change the language, you can go for C or download language options. Then here you can change the language if you want. If English is okay with you, go for that particular thing and then click on download. Okay. Then two different setup files are there. One is for 64-bit system, other is for 32-bit system. So first of all, you please check out which kind of system you are having. If you are having 64-bit system, choose the first checkbox. If you are having 32-bit system, choose the second checkbox. And then based on that, you have to download the setup file. Click on next and then it will get downloaded like this. Okay. Then you have to double click on it as you do in any, installation of any other software. The same way you have to proceed with clicking next, then next. Then after that, mark this checkbox, I accept terms in the license agreement, and then click on next. And after that, if you want to change the storage space location, you can change that in any other C drive position. And then you have to click on next. Okay, after that, click on install. Files will get copied. And then you have to click on finish. All right. And then finally, you will get the Power BI desktop version. Okay. And this kind of a small dialog box will come. Then you have to close this two dialog box, and then this is the Power BI desktop that is behind it. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? Clear, everyone? It's simple.
Can you please come back?
Ma'am, could you please repeat this again?
Yeah,
Your
sure,
voice
sure.
is breaking up again.
Sure. I will tell you once again.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
First of all, you have to simply type Google in, Power BI in Google. Then this particular link will come. You have to click on it. Okay. Then my voice is clear now. Everyone. Is it clear now?
It's still broken.
Ma'am, the screen is also not visible.
Okay. I'll try to clear that thing. Wait a second. Sound ಆಗಲ್ಲ. My voice is clear, everyone.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It is breaking right now.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
still breaking up.
Okay.
It's breaking a lot.
Wait, I will try to find a new location where it will be okay. Is it clear now? Hello?
Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll share the screen and I will tell you things once again.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So I will start from installation. Rest of the things are clear to you? Shall I repeat once again? All of you. Please respond, then only I can move further.
Yes, ma'am.
Not clear. Okay. I should repeat, right? Okay. First of all, I will repeat from the beginning, right? Okay. So moving on to the introduction part, actually Power BI is a business intelligence tool which is used to clean and convert data as well as to convert it into beautiful dashboards so that we can easily recognize things. See, if we are having dashboard, we are having things in the form of pictures, then it is very simple to identify connection between different variables, or in order to identify when the profit was high, loss was high, those kind of thing is very easy to understand. Instead of going through a complete huge data set, it is very easy to understand things within seconds, right? Because our brain works more, it is more it works very efficiently when it sees an image, then text, right? That is a human psychology. So the same thing is used over here. And we are using actually Power BI desktop, which is a wait, which is a open source software, and it is free to use. Okay. And some of the tools that are in Power BI corresponding to Power BI desktop are Power Query, which is used to clean the data set. Power Pivot is used to connect different tables, data source and all. Power View is here you can see different visualization charts, and whichever you want, you can choose that and you can apply the data set on it. Okay. And the last but not least thing is Power BI service, which is used to share the files and dashboards to the required team. It is actually a paid thing. Okay. So the next thing is regarding facts. It was actually designed by Ron George in 2010. It was named as Project Crescent. And in 2011, it was made publicly available. In 2013, it was renamed as Power BI for Office. And in 2015, we got the Power BI that we are using now. Okay. Next thing is regarding. Yeah. Yes. Next thing is regarding the importance of Power BI. In the Google trend, you can see the how much times people have searched for a particular word. Okay. So if it is crossing 100, that means it's having very good potential. Very good word potential it is having. Okay. The next thing is that importance regarding Power BI is it is having 1,200 different functions and almost 280 visuals are there in Power BI. It is very less expensive compared to any other BI tool, and it can accept data from 100 different data sources that I will show you how. And actually Gartner company has released its magic quadrant time to time, which will show you that how important it is. Okay. See, you can see like in 2022, it is at the top, right? And earlier it was somewhere here. Now it has reached the top and Tableau is below it. You can see that. So it shows the importance of Power BI. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now moving on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now moving on to the installation part, simply you have to write Power BI in Google search and this link will come. You have to double click on it, okay? And then product in the new page, a product option is there. When you will click on that particular option, what you will get is Power BI desktop. Okay, then click on Power BI desktop. If you want to change the language, you can go for that. It is not necessary. If you want to change the language, you can change it to any other language. Then you have to click on download. Okay, then simply it will get downloaded. Before that, it will show you which setup file you want. If you are having a 64-bit system, you have to choose this setup file. If you are having 32-bit system, you have to choose this particular file. And after selecting that, you have to click on next. Okay. Then this particular setup file, whichever setup file you want, that will get downloaded. Okay. Then simply you have to click on next. Then you have to mark this I accept terms and license agreement. Then you have to click on next. Okay. Then click on next. If you want to change the location, that you can do. Okay. And then click on install. After that, all the files will get copied. Then you have to click on finish. Then finally, this Power BI, icon will come. And the initial, these two windows you can close. And this is the Power BI desktop. And if your system is not having this transform option, your Power BI is not having this transform option. That means you are using the old version of Power BI. And if your this filter pane is not there, then also it means that you are using old version of Power BI. Then you need to upgrade it. Now, how to upgrade is it as a question, right? Go to files, and in files, you have to click on options and settings. There you can click on options, and after that, you have to click on preview features. Then a checkbox will come. You have to, a set of checkbox will come. You have to click whichever you want. Okay. After that, click on OK. So like this, you can update it, upgrade it. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will tell you a few things that how to clean data, a small demo of it, so that it will be helpful for you to do task 1. Okay. So I will close this thing, discard. Okay. Now I'm going, this is the option, get data is the option from where you can actually choose a particular data set. Okay. If you want an Excel, file to be uploaded, you can either use this option or this option, or you can go to get data and you can use this option, or in fields, you can go and you can use this get data from here also. And then a particular window will come. Okay. There also you can choose the Excel, or if you want any other files, you can simply go to get data. This particular thing will come, and there are 100 different sources. These are those 100 different sources from which you can take the data set. Is it clear, everyone? If it is an Excel sheet, a CSV file, a JSON file, folder, PDF, anything it is, we can extract the data. So this is how Power BI can extract data from 100 different sources. That particular line, we have already covered. That is how it is practically shown. See. Can accept data from 100 different data sources, right? So there is how you can do it. These are those 100 different data sources. So I am taking simply Excel, okay? And I'm connecting it. You have to click on connect, then only you can choose any of the files that you want. So I will simply take this particular data set. I'm taking this data set so that I can tell you how to do normal cleaning. Okay, little bit cleaning we will do over there. This is an Excel sheet, and in this particular sheet, sheet 1 is having the data. I have to click on the checkbox, then only I can load it. There is 2 options, load and transform. If I'm not choosing the checkbox, I can't use that particular option. When I am clicking this option, then only I can select it. Okay. Now I want to ask you that, do you find any problem with this data set? Please tell me.
No, ma'am.
Can you find this null column and this null rows?
Null values.
Yeah, so we need to actually clean.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're directly loading it, then it will directly go to Power BI desktop. Instead of that, first of all, you go for cleaning. For that, you have to click on transform data. And while clicking transform data, Power Query will appear. Power Query, actually in the presentation, I have told you that in tools, Power Query cleans the data. So here is how we can clean the data. So right now we are in Power Query, not in Power BI desktop. Okay, so this is the column that we don't want. Click on the column header, right click over there and remove it. Okay, it will go. If you want it back, if you are using Control Z, it will not, you can't undo that step. In order to undo it, in applied step, each and every steps that we have used is mentioned. So the last thing is remove columns. Okay. That means the step that we have performed right now, the column was removed. When you will click on this cross mark, you can get back that column. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, clear.
Okay. When you will
Yes,
click
clear.
on the drop down of a column header, you can see the unique entities in it, like Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. This data set is about the different districts in different states. Okay. So these are the some districts, 3 districts of Andaman Nicobar, some districts of Andhra Pradesh, like that. And it is showing whether it is a state, or this column is showing whether this particular thing is a state or union territory. Okay. Now, when you click on the drop down, you can see unique entities within the column. Similarly, here also you can see unique entities including null. Here also you can see unique entities. And in this column, you can see things are entirely null. So should we need this column or not? Column 4 is required or not, all of you?
No.
Not
Not
required.
required.
You can simply
Not
remove it.
required.
Okay. And now what is the problem left with this data set?
Rows, first row.
First row is having a problem. So you go to remove.
First row is showing none.
Yes. Go to remove rows, choose the remove top rows. So using this, you can remove n number of top rows. Since we need only first row to be removed, you have to write 1 in it. If you are writing 2 in it, first two rows will be removed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to undo it, you can simply click on it and you can undo it, right?
Ma'am, here one more question.
Yeah,
Like here we can, it was visible like first row, it is null value as there. So there is a problem with that row. We can remove the row. But if
correct.
there is a n number of data in that, in middle of data, it is there.
You
So
can
how can we
transpose
find
it.
it
You
and
can
can we
transpose
delete?
it. See, I will close it once again. I will show you once
Okay.
again. Okay? Not now. Okay, discard changes. Once again, I will take it and I will show you. Only 5 minutes are left. So please join again if this meeting got interrupted. Okay. Through the same link, you can
Okay,
join
ma'am. Okay.
again. So you have to simply choose it. And when it will come, you have to select that particular sheet and you have to go to transform data. See, we can remove the rows very easily by right clicking, right? Here, just I will do this remove, that is gone. And if I want to remove this particular thing, that also I can do. Before that, I will clear your doubt. See, you can go to transform, there you can use transpose. Now rows became column. Now if you don't want this particular row, you can simply click column, you can simply click right click and remove it. Is it clear? In between also you can do it. Like this, you can
Yeah,
remove
ma'am.
any
It's
row.
clear, clear. Yeah, got it.
Transpose you can
Got
use
it,
for
got
it.
it.
Okay. So transpose, I'm again doing it. Okay. Now I don't want this particular row to be, I don't want this particular row. So what I should do is I have to go to row, home, and there in remove rows, I have to remove top row. So only first row is not required. Enter 1 in it and click on OK. So that particular thing is removed. Now, what is the problem with this data set? Anyone can tell me? What is the issue with it?
मैम जो हेडिंग है ना वो स्टेट और डिस्ट्रिक्ट और स्टेट आएगी एज ए कॉलम की
करेक्ट यू आर राइट सो आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है सी हियर होम इज देयर ओके विद इन होम यहाँ पे आप देखो यूज फर्स्ट रो एज हेडर मतलब जो पहला रो है उसे कॉलम हेडर की तरह यूज करो करके ठीक है सो यू कैन सिंपली गो एंड सेलेक्ट इट ओके then that particular thing will become your column header. Is it clear all of you?